Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and students. I am Mohammad Afiq Tafi, Government Degree College, Latifabad, Hyderabad. Today we are going to discuss on the coronavirus. This is the first lecture on the coronavirus. Coronavirus, corona show the crown-like structure and spike-like structure on the surface. That's why that are named is coronavirus. Coronavirus first time coronavirus name taken from the Latin corona means crown like and name given by John Almeida and David, and first time name published in 1968 in a journal Nature Journal of Research. First time that design and published this name. And outer morphology of this virus is a spike-like, and that possesses a proteinous coat, a lipidic coat, and this is a this coronavirus that are of many types, but more important and dangerous on the are the SARS, MERS, and COVID-19. And this is a classification, general classification of virus. You can see here many viruses that have mutation ability, because virus has the mutation means sudden change in genetical material is known as mutation. So these are the four viruses that have very mild, very minute, little bit flu-like characters, little bit flu-like symptoms, or we can say the cold-like symptoms that are appeared in the body. But these are the three very dangerous viruses that cause death-causing flu, pneumonia, diarrhea, yeah, different other things on the body, inside the body. One is the MERS. MERS means Middle East Respiratory Syndrome related disorder. MERS means Middle East Respiratory Syndrome related coronaviruses. And other one is the SARS severe acute respiratory syndrome. And next one is this one. This is the COVID-2, that's known as the SARS-2, and this is very dangerous. Nowadays we are suffering from this type of virus that's known as a SARS-2 or COVID-19 virus. This is the structure of that dangerous virus. That means that totally affecting on the human activities. World has done lot of work and development, but still we are unable to control this virus. Why? Because we are unable to produce the vaccine and unable to produce the medicines to kill, to break, to neutralize, to totally decompose this virus. That's why still we are handicapped before this virus. So this virus possesses three parts especially. Outer one is an envelope. This is a lipid envelope especially, and this one is a RNA. This one is known as a genetical material. This is a genetical material, and this one is HE, hemagglutinin esterase dimer, or we can say this one is a opening, or we can say the structures especially that are present. This is the complete structure of COVID COVID 19, or we can say SARS-2, COVID-19 or SARS-2 we can say here. This virus mode of action, if we are discussing here, that attach with the surface of host cell, then by the help of receptors they enter their genetical material into the host cell. When material RNA move inside the host cell, because this is a RNA virus, when RNA move inside the host cell, then it use machinery of host. By using machinery to start to form the different enzymes, start to form the different part of virus, and also it destroy the host body completely. That's why we are saying this is a very dangerous, because it is a RNA virus. RNA virus have ability to use directly is like mRNA to form the copies by using the reverse transcriptase enzyme and different other things. RNA means that is very dangerous, means directly move towards the ribosome and start to form their copies, start to form their body parts to control on the host body. So this virus first time identified in Wuhan recently nowadays in 2019 in last December we can say that it identified this is a one type of pneumonia, but it identified this is not pneumonia, this is a viral infection. Pneumonia is a bacterial infection. Viral infection, WHO recognized this is a very dangerous organism, and this is known as SARS-2, or you can say the COVID-19 virus that's identified. Recently, lot of people that die due to this one. It totally affect on the different European countries, Saudi Arabia and China, and different countries that are under the effect of this. But in Asian countries, it is more dangerous in European countries than the Asian countries, especially except the China. But in Pakistan, it is around about 8 to 900 people that are died due to this one, and more than 10,000 people that recover out of around about 26 to 30,000 peoples that are people in positive cases. So people of Pakistan, they have little bit more immune system then the other environmental conditions are temperature directly affect on the virus, that may be little bit effect of this one. So if we are discussing virus, this virus resemble with the virus that is affecting in the bats. That's why in start this was clear. This virus mutated from the bats because the people of China, they are eating the meat of bats. That's why it is assumption that may arise from this one. So word pandemic condition, you can see most MERS in outbreak was 2002, 2015 and 2018, but it is under control. It caused many deaths, especially 37% deaths that caused by this virus. But this is spread in very little bit areas, very few areas. That's why it's not more dangerous. And SARS also, this is a dangerous problem, respiratory. It affect 2002 to 2004, but again it is under the control, and their death ratio is 9.2%. While the COVID-19, this is a pandemic, means it can transmit from one person to another person and from one area to another area, from one country to another country, means round about more than 190 countries that are suffering from this type of virus, and it is very dangerous for the conditions. So symptoms of this one, you can see the symptom. One is the fever, dry cold and headache, nasal congestion and cough, sore in the throat and respiratory problem, digestive problem, and also many dangerous problem for the coughing, sputum, pain in the chest, and especially headache, kidney failure, yeah, digestive problem, diarrhea, and a little bit many. And these are the dry cough, dyspepsia, diarrhea, sore in the throat, and this is for the MERS, this is for the SARS, and this is for the COVID-19. This is a very less percentage, but this is pandemic. That's why it's very dangerous. And two main ways, yeah, important patterns, yeah, procedures, especially we are using for the testing mechanism. One is we take especially sample from the nose and other from the mouth, and this is the test kit we are especially using. And PCR mechanism used here, we can say the cotton swab inserted into the nose and collect the septum, collect the sample for the test, and this is another one. And these are the very important precautions we should use. You can see here and you can